This unique upsell tactic is a hidden gem. It's key to unlocking huge profits in your online business, and yet it's been a best kept secret until today. I just got this mind blower from my buddies, Rob and Kennedy, and they call it the Encore email sequence. This is their proven method for amping up your upsell conversion rates faster than anything I've ever seen. The Encore email sequence is an array of meticulously crafted and sequenced emails engineered to capture customer attention post-purchase, amplifying the potential for any upsell. This is a user-friendly 7-step blueprint that anyone can execute. And I promise you this, mastering this process will catapult you ahead of your competitors who are still fumbling around like cavemen with their emails. Now, before we dive deeper though, if you don't know me, I am Rich Sheffrin, often dubbed the Guru to the Gurus. And each week through my show, Steal Our Winners, I handpick the cream of the crop experts in the industry to deliver intensive workshops. These are insights entrepreneurs routinely pay a small fortune for, but I have an entire team who compiles them for you into an accessible library of winners at strategicprofits.com. This is exclusive content that you can't stumble on in YouTube. Take this episode as an example, where Rob and Kennedy decode the Encore email sequence that spurred 43% upsell conversions. That's the real increase, 43%.
If you currently have a thing where you make an offer and people don't buy it and then you follow up with email immediately for the next 2 or 3 days, I'd urge you to test this.
We tried this thing, which we call an Encore campaign, really simple email campaign that really grows those conversions of any upsell.
It's really counterintuitive, but I think you'll be really impressed by the results.
What normally happens is somebody comes along and there's your sales page. Let's say they've just joined your membership. So you've got your sales page, and then you've got your upsell page, which says, here's a little video. That's great. Do you want to buy it? Most marketers will follow up by email and go, hey, you know that thing you didn't buy? Do you want to grab that? And they chase them for 3 or 4, 5, 6, 12 days.
If we do this standard thing, first of all, of making an offer and then immediately following up by email, we're taking an offer that's not all that believable. It doesn't matter how good the offer is. It's still not all that believable.
What we do instead at this point is we don't follow up. With the people who say no, we put in a 35-day delay timer. The reason we do 35 days is because we've got a monthly membership. We want to get the person over the first monthly rebill. So wait till they get over their first monthly rebill.
On that page, that offer page they've just seen, there's no real reference to anything urgent. It doesn't say this offer is going to go away. It just says, thanks for joining the league. Would you like it? There's no sense of anything other than you've just joined the league. Would you like a discount?
Only on that 35th day, we send them the first email, which says, hey, your new member discount on that thing is going to expire in 4 days. This is the first time they're hearing that it was a new member discount or that there was any kind of expiration date on it. There are more emails to come, but this is when you introduce those bunch of facts. So it's the first time they hear that it's a new member discount and that there's any kind of urgency or expiry on it. Because they've seen the offer in the past and there is familiarity, because it's only 35 days later, there's this vague recollection of familiarity of, oh yes, that is an offer. I've seen it positioned before, and now I'm being told it's urgent. I'm now more likely to jump on it.
Awesome, right? I know. So right now, I want you to immerse yourself for free in the full episode of the Encore email sequence. This is a powerful tool to skyrocket your upsell conversion rate to 43% or more, elevate your know, like, and trust quotient, decrease customer information fatigue, and turn even the most reluctant customers into buyers. This strategy will enable you to maximize your product sales and amplify the profits from your email list. And that translates to phenomenal growth and scaling of your business in record time. So click the link on this page right now to unlock the entire video at no cost to you as my free gift.